For my eyebrows, I'm using Anastacia Beverly Hills in Ebony. I have permanent makeup, so I don't have to do my eyebrows so much. I'm just filling it in a little bit. I'm using the Morphe palette in 3500M.
Después de tanto tiempo al fin sonríe de emoción. Lloraba inquietamente, la enfermera pregunta ¿cuál es la razón?
The concealer that I'm using is from LA Girl in Porcelain. The lashes that I'm gonna use are from Contourstick and the name is Nora. I always use two primers, one from benefitcosmetics, Porefessional, and one from boxcosmetics. The foundation that I'm gonna use is from Estee Lauder in Cashew and MAC Pro Longwear in NC35. This concealer that I'm using is from Catrice in Honey. This contour stick is from Golden Rose Cosmetics and it's in the shade Chocolate Brownie. The baking powder that I'm using is from Lauramercier Translucent Powder. This lip liner is very old, so I don't have a number or a name anymore because it's gone. Sorry. The highlighter that I'm using is from Kiko Milano in Champagne Glitter. This liquid lipstick is also from Kiko Milano in Poppy Red 06. So this is my first tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe on my channel and put on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.